So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to fund your account on RBC Direct Investing. So once you open up the app, what I want you to do is to go to the main screen here to where it says fund your account, or what you can also do is go to the bottom right, press on more, and you can go under transfer funds this way. But we'll go back to the home screen here. So where it says transfer money between your accounts, we'll go ahead and press on fund your account. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and select which account you want to fund it to. So if you want to go from your checking account to your investment account, where it says from account, you would go checking. Where it says to account, you would go investing. For the amount, you would type in the amount, then you would type in your phone number, and then press the blue continue button to proceed with the funding of your account. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to fund your account on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.